In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Monday.com using the Vote, Creation Log, and Pulse ID columns. Start by opening the board where you want these features. Once the board is on your screen, look to the far right of your columns for the small plus icon. This is how you add a new column in Monday.com. Click that plus icon, and a panel will open where you can search for column types. In the search field, type Vote. From the results, choose the Vote column. This adds an easy thumbs-up widget to each item. Teammates can click to support ideas, change requests, or backlog tasks without leaving comments. It's great for quick prioritization because you can instantly see which items have the most support. Votes are tied to user profiles, so each person gets one vote per item, and the total updates automatically as people engage. Now add a second column. Click the plus icon again to create another column, and this time type log in the search. Select the creation log. This column automatically displays who created each item and when. It's read-only and updates on its own, which makes it ideal for auditing and handoffs. If you ever need to know the origin of a task, the creation log removes guesswork by keeping the creator and timestamp front and center. It respects your account's time zone settings and stays consistent even if the item name changes later. Next, add one more column to round out your toolkit. Click the plus icon again, search for Item, and select Item ID. In Monday.com, the term Pulse is another word for item, so the item ID is effectively the Pulse ID. This is a unique number assigned to each item on your board. It never changes, even if you rename the item or move it between groups. That makes it extremely useful for referencing specific records in automations, integrations, or support requests. If someone needs exact details about a task, sharing the item ID points directly to the right record without confusion. With these three columns in place, you've added a quick feedback tool, a built-in audit trail, and a reliable identifier to your board. The Vote column helps teams make decisions faster. The creation log brings clarity to item history, and the item ID provides a stable anchor for any workflow that needs precision. Consider keeping these columns visible near your task details so your team can see them at a glance. That's all you need to start using the Vote, creation log, and Pulse ID.